equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for this cleaning process. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a soft brush, a microfiber cloth, and a bowl of warm soapy water. Make sure you have everything ready before starting. First, unplug your Dyson SV14 from the power source. Safety is paramount, so ensure it's completely disconnected. Next, remove the dustbin by pressing the release button. This will allow you to access the filter and the internal components. Now, let's focus on the filter. The Dyson SV14 has a washable filter located at the top of the dustbin. Carefully pull it out and rinse it under cold water. Avoid using any detergents or soaps, as these can damage the filter. Gently squeeze the filter to remove excess water, but do not wring it out. Allow it to air dry for at least 24 hours before reinserting it. While the filter is drying, take this opportunity to clean the dustbin. Use a soft brush to remove any debris stuck inside. For stubborn dirt, you can use a damp microfiber cloth. Ensure that the bin is completely dry before reassembling. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without any hassle. Next, let's check the brush bar. Flip the vacuum over and use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws holding the brush bar in place. Once removed, inspect the brush for hair or debris that may be tangled. Use scissors to carefully cut away any hair, and then clean the brush with a soft cloth. After cleaning the brush bar, reattach it securely, ensuring all screws are tightened properly. This will help maintain the vacuum's suction power. Now, let's move on to the internal components. Using the soft brush, gently clean the inside of the vacuum where dust and dirt may accumulate. Pay special attention to the motor housing and any vents. This will help improve airflow and efficiency. Before you finish, it's a good idea to check for any blockages in the hose. Detach the hose from the vacuum and inspect it for any obstructions. If you find any, carefully remove them to ensure optimal performance. Finally, reassemble your Dyson SV14 by putting the dustbin and filter back in place. Make sure everything clicks securely. If you need assistance at any point, remember we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the help you need. Once everything is back together, plug in your vacuum and give it a test run. You should notice improved suction and performance. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. We are here to help you keep your Dyson in top shape. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.